I'm an excavator.
Excavator?
Hey, dirt! See you later.
Elmo's an excavator.
I've got a great big arm and a great big boom. If I start digging now, I'll be done real soon. I'm an earth separator.
Elmo's an excavator. Wow!
I've got a big old bucket and I scoop all the time, digging holes in the ground, wonder what I'll find. I'm an earth investigator.
Elmo's